was at the house. I was wondering, this is Act 2, Chapter 1. Dog? I asked Brian if there was any intermission from me. He said he did hear some howling at an abandoned warehouse. He said I should go check it out. And I did. I'm going to show you what I found. Walking down this dead alleyway. He said an abandoned whatever it's called, I can't remember. But then I noticed this dog here. He was getting attacked by things. They were annoying. I was wondering why he was dying. I didn't really care. If I just had a companion, that was good. But he would follow me, actually. So I was walking back to the place when I saw something bizarre. I was walking down there when I saw this dude. When I tried to get closer, he ran at me. It sounded like a person at a mental hospital. Got knocked out. When he died, I was confused what he was. The dog meat wanted me to go back to it, so I asked him to follow me again. And I went running over there to see what he was all mumbling about. I was looking around, I didn't see anything bizarre. I saw this. It was a motion tracker. I was wondering why it was here. And I said I didn't really care. It was useful for this moment, because then when two dudes came in. Okay, we understand. I saw something behind her. Then it came out. It was more of them. They were still as distorted as before. I also finally learned how to kick. I didn't really pick it up on my hand right now. I was happy. I was gonna walk back for a little bit to confuse what was happening to my hand. I didn't know what was happening to my hand. I was walking around just for a little bit when something else happened. Playing more with my motion detector. I saw these. But for some reason they were aggressive against each other. This one seemed a bit more hard to kill. But it went down the same way as the other ones went down. So wandering around, I found an abandoned outpost. I was about to use inside one. So I was about to walk inside one. Saw it. And a psycho. And I was wondering what they were called, so I just called the one that had the seams around and the stitcher. I got knocked out again. I found my doggy again. And he found so much ammo. I also found a better weapon. A lead pipe. I was looking around what else attachments I have. I didn't really have much. So there were noises. I did learn how to kick. Took forever. So I was wandering back to the base when I was wandering down the alley again, and Didn't feel like I should kick it. Felt more like I should let the dog fight it, if she was that powerful. I guess you can't really shoot your heads. They look more bulletproof. I was wondering, are these what they're turning into? I didn't think so because they were hostile against each other. Still confused. What are they? Or what they are. I was walking more down when I finally found back to the base. I wanted to say what I found, but that's felt like I shouldn't. Still kicking. When I returned to the base, I saw something above. I was wondering why they were up there. Very nice. How are you doing? I just ran past him. I feel like I should go melee for these sounds. They looked more powerful. They're also quick. Much stronger. I had to tell Brian what I found. So I asked the dog to stay here. When I was talking down there, Brian asked what are you doing. I said I saw new creatures and they were more distorted than other ones. He asked what are you talking about. They were more distorted, I said. He said, well, I have another mission for you. I said, okay. He said, there's a pack of military men at the tree grounds where we usually go. It'd be nice if you could save them. I said, okay, be warned. They said there's some dangers over there. I said, okay. When I was talking there, I went to saw them. It was a gigantic beast. You're right, I've never seen something like that. Seems like that. It's more like an idiot. They said use range. I said okay then. Didn't feel like you could kill any of them because of how slow he is. He's really bad at his job. Yes. Can't tell if he was an idiot or just doesn't really know how to fight. I was going more like he's an idiot and doesn't really know how to fight. I said, this thing doesn't really want to fall, doesn't he? So then I just took out my box. No, get away. I was wondering why it was taking so long to killing this thing. Let's see if I want to get hurt. annoying trying to kill this thing. Maybe fall. I was getting annoyed because they wouldn't die. They wouldn't twitch. Felt like it was a tank. Just more confused. Kyle's running away from me. Trying to kill this guy. He just wouldn't fall. I don't know why they come from. Seems simple enough. It's not a tank. It's really not a kill. He said, go check that house over there. He said. So I did, and I found. I went in there, I found shotgun. Looking amazing. I couldn't wait to use it. Well, it's back into the war then. I was bashing him, shooting him, but I wasn't even twitching when my ammo was. I was wondering why he wouldn't just fall. No matter what we did, he just wouldn't fall. So one of the comrades said, look. I was wondering what he was talking about, but I saw mine. One of those old-fashioned war mines. I said, well, if this beast doesn't want to fall, we're gonna make him fall. Getting it to arm was the easy part. Getting him to come without setting off was another. Also trying not to get one of the comrades from falling into the mine was another one. And to come to me was the second one. But then I had an idea. Well, this should work. I said, well, this should work. Only if I can get him to come over here. Which he really didn't want. And I got knocked out again. So we're gonna learn more. I'll tell you more. Just before he was about to kill the captain, I ran over there. I just kept shooting him. I looked that would actually kill him. I didn't know where to shoot, so I just kept shooting him. But I finally killed him.